called my inaugural lecture Rewriting the Script. Prescriptions and the giving of medicines is one of the most common interventions in the health service. Getting it wrong sometimes not only means patients not getting better, but can cause harm through side effects or adverse effects. What I'm going to do is try and take people through a journey really of how I've come to become so involved in prescribing education, but also talk a little bit about some of the other things I've been doing together with electronic prescribing, which try and actually support prescribers out in the health service to do things right. I hope that I'll get some attendees from colleagues and friends that I've made that have been with me as part of my journey here as an academic member of staff. I'm hoping that actually one or two students might turn up as well from the different programs I'm involved in. One of my raison d'etres is really to inspire the next generation. So I'm quite nervous, probably more nervous than most of the lectures I ever give, but I really am looking forward to taking people on that journey of my research, educational interventions and other interventions I've done, tell them a little bit about myself as an individual, and also try and think a little bit about where the future is in the sort of work I do.